Okay, this next one has to do with Graham's law. Ray, what's Graham's law? Any idea?
Graham's law is...
He's giving us the answer as we speak, as we listen. What is it?
It's the... Okay. States that the rate of diffusion of gas is inversely proportional to the square root of...
So the rate of the diffusion of a gas is inversely related, inversely proportionate to the square of the ratio of the molar masses. Is that what you said? Okay.
The square root of the gas's molar mass.
Square root of the gas's molar mass. So it's going to be the ratio of the velocity of a gas is inversely proportionate to the square root of the molar mass. Is that correct? Is that what you said? Usually you relate to gases, which is okay. And so in other words, I'm not sure I said that right, so let's get it on the board, okay? We're going to say A over B. Okay, so the rate of the velocity, well, let's compare two gases. The rate of the velocities of gas A and B is inversely proportionate to the square root of the molar masses. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. And so it has to do with gases. So if something is very fast, it probably is very small, like helium or hydrogen. So what would you say would be probably the fastest gas? Hydrogen, because it has a molar mass of 2. So it'd probably be hydrogen, okay? Now, this problem states that a certain, very short problem, it's one sentence. This problem states that a certain gas effuses 4 times as fast as oxygen, as O2, not O. What is the molar mass of the gas? Okay, so we're going to say, we're going to call oxygen O2, and we'll call the unknown gas just U. Is that okay? Yes, Aiden.
Just a question.
Yes.
Would it be easier if we just divide the molar mass of oxygen gas by 4?
That would give you the wrong answer. The molar mass of oxygen is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. I know the answer. Isn't that amazing that I could tell you the answer already? But yes, it's not 8. Yeah, we know what the answer is because we practiced the problem, but yes. So the question was, isn't it easier just to divide the molar mass of oxygen by 4, I think he said. Okay? And the answer is no, but that's a very good try. You're thinking. I like that. I like that a lot. Something that's rarely done by chemistry students in June. Excellent. Well done. Okay, so we'll call this, we'll say that this is going to be the unknown gas. Okay? Is that all right? Can we do that? Yes? Okay. We'll say that's the unknown gas. And, no, we'll say that's oxygen. Can we say that's oxygen? And we'll say that that's the unknown gas. How are we going to do this? How did we do this last time?
The VA by 4.
What is it?
Times the VA, the top one by 4.
All right, so if we say that this is oxygen, and we say that this is the unknown gas, what do we do over here? What do we do over there? This would be the oxygen here, right? Or no?
Yes,
That's the oxygen.
Yeah, you gotta keep your wits about you with this stuff, right? So this is B, right? So we would call this oxygen, is that right? Everybody's kind of like looking at me like I'm crazy. Okay? It's a little confusing. Yes? So this would be the oxygen, and this would be the unknown gas, right? Okay? So it's kind of like this, sort of, you know. Get a visual on that, yes? Is that all right? You get that or no? Now, The unknown gas is 4 times faster than oxygen. So if I was going to write the unknown gas in terms of oxygen, I wanted to say, okay, I want only one variable, so I'm going to make this oxygen. What would I have to do to this value to make that equivalent to the unknown gas?
Multiply by 4.
I'd have to multiply this by 4 because it said that this is 4 times faster than oxygen, correct? So if this is oxygen, I got to multiply it by 4, right? Easy? Okay, basic algebra, yes? Okay. Now, let's put some things in. Let's put one thing in here. Let's put in, you know what, let's just rewrite this, okay? This cancels, so I have 4 equals square root of 32 over m unknown. Yes? Right? Let's square both sides. What do you got? 16 equals 32 over u. Yes? Solve for that. I can just put the 16 here. Basic math. And I'm going to say mu equals 32 over 16 is going to equal 2. What are the unit labels of the answer? What are the unit labels of the answer and why? What are the unit labels of the answer? And if you don't put these unit labels down, it's wrong. They're right here. Grams, but why grams?
Because it asks for the molar mass.
They're asking for the molar mass, exactly. The mass of 1 mole, right? So what gas is this probably? Hydrogen. 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 When we used to do this in chemistry years ago, we don't have the equipment here to do it, but never worked out that nicely. Okay, so I think 3 problems is just fine. It's actually almost 3:40 now. Wow. So we're about done. So let's finish. Okay, clear? All right, bye.
Mister, you said 340.
I said what?
You said 340.
340 what?
It's 1240.
1240. What did I say? 340? Is that important for the video? What did I say? 340? It's almost. What did I say? It's almost 340?
Yeah.
It's almost 1240. Lunchtime.
Got it.